It ain't got no gas in it.
You see there, Scooter? Things are the simplest things first.
2009 Electric Glide. Yep, that's what it looked like to begin with, and this is what it looks like now. Do you think we can do anything with this thing? I just made a purchase. Let's get on it. But first, thank you, Eric from Canada. Well, the audio on this did not turn out because Spanky had the heater cranked up and we were putting in a lot of noise. So that is, the fairing is shot on this. As you can see, it's busted. Definitely the fender is totaled out. And he didn't have the keys in his pocket, so the lights kept flashing off and on. In the next clip after this one, we did get it fired up. Well, we had to pull all the seat off. The seat was still on it when I got there. But we pulled that off so we could get down to the battery there. They had that wire jammed in and it was hard to get the seat off. The tour pack, she's bent. And it took us a while, but we spurted a little oil on it. We finally got the tour pack off. Matter of fact, we got tour pack and saddlebags off and the side covers all off. I brought them home already, but we're going to come back the next day and pick up the bike. You'll see that in a video hooked on here somewhere. There's lots of good parts on this bike. I got a whole book full of stuff that he's put into the bike. All right, first start.
Nope.
Still too dead? Oh, there it goes.
Do I gotta take this off?
No. There she runs. That's our problem right there. We got to figure out why we can't get it in the neutral. Sounds good. Guess we should have checked the oil on it. Better shut her off. We got a little bit of an oil leak there.
Well, there's a crack in the oil filter.
Oil filter? Okay.
Oh,
well,
that's nice.
Huh, yeah. You got sawdust, I hope. That'll lubricate it. But we heard it run. We just got to get there, get a new filter on it, oil filter. But it's running, sounded good. It is a beautiful color. Same year bike as mine, so all this stuff will fit right on it. But I'm missing a front fender and a gas tank. But this is some good stuff. Very beautiful, I think, anyway. I haven't cleaned that one, but I cleaned these off with some paint cleaner. But anyway, I kind of like it. Got a new seat, too, which mine was ripped, so there you go. Saved $500 right there. Well, we got that loaded up here. We was going to use the come-along, but Spanky's got so many different rigs, he just brought out one that had a winch on it, and we just winched it right up here on the wheels. Now then, it's tight. And we're only going a couple miles. It ain't going nowhere. All this stuff will be coming off tomorrow. A lot of it's going to go right in the trash because that ain't savable. Might save this. Might save that light and that. Maybe the lights are good, but what's bent goes in the trash. Spanky said he thinks he can use the torch method on this fender, heat it up and then tap on it and heat it and then shrink it and it'll go right up. Oh yeah, and he's going to fix the wheel. You guys have seen the little Chinaman on there fixing them wheels. He'll fix that up too. Anyway, we're going to take it to the house. Then we got to figure out how to get it back off. I got an idea, and Vicky already told me if it starts to fall, let it, don't catch it, and I agree. Hopefully it don't fall because about the only thing on it, well, we still got a good tank, and got a lot of good parts on it. Crash bar, gone. We got it. Now you can see the bow in that frame right, the down tubes. I'm sure the top of it's bent too. Back in the day, I'd pull that apart and straighten it. Put a port of power there and there. You could straighten that up. You could straighten it out. Will I do it? No. No, I got a bike like that. If I was going to do anything with this bike, it'd be turned into a trike. Because Spanky's getting old and he's going to need one. Anyway, let's go down the road and see what happens. Yeah, I wasn't holding that very good. I still ain't holding it very good. Let's see if we can hold it there. Doesn't seem to be wiggling much. Windshield's dirty. Truck hadn't been washed in a long time. He just sits in the garage. When they throw these videos on, as you might have noticed, this one will probably be 10-15 minutes long. Then 2 days later, we'll do another 10-15 minutes. Till we get her all apart. Vance and Hine pipes. Got a lot of good parts on it. He's sending me the paperwork. Guess he had a lot of work done to the motor. We'll find out. Sounded good when we fired it up, that's for sure. I guess the regulator got busted off and shoved up against the oil filter. He poked a hole in it. Well, what I was told, we'll find out in a minute. I mean, tomorrow, in the next clip, whatever. I'm just getting her loose today, and that's going to come on a call it a day. Well, here it sits. And that's all we're doing for this video, probably, and for today for sure. This is day 2 of working on it. It took Spanky just about as long to back up to it as it did for us to load it. He ain't no truck driver. But anyway, he did better here. We got more room. He backed her right in. We rolled her right off and rolled it right there. And that's where it's going to sit. And you'll see it sitting there a lot. I'll probably I'll put cameras on it naturally, and we'll start tomorrow, or very next clip, or very next video. We're going to start on the front and pull that off. I want to make sure I take the ABS brakes off, gentle, because I'm going to resell those. I don't want the ABS brakes on it. If I turn that into a trike, it'll have a whole different brake system on it. But we don't know what we're going to do with it till we get her stripped down and check out, see what's what. I got to make sure that oil is leaking from the oil filter and not something more drastic. So we'll find that out tomorrow, I'm sure. So stay tuned for the next video. And here we go. I'm going to have a bike project. I told, what's his name? Monkey Business? I told him I was getting another bike, and he just gave me a thumbs up. So maybe he's going to watch this and make me a comment. He's always working on bikes. Let's see what we can get her done. That's it for now, guys. You know what to do. Please subscribe, and please comment with a thumbs up. You wouldn't believe how much it helps. It really, really does.